See me whatsoever, bro. Again. Alright, well, this is the quality. I found out what was wrong. It was the exposure. It was way too low. Oh no. I didn't even mean to do that. No.
Rosie. Hi. You're so cute.
My outfit of the day. Shoes. New Balance. Pants are Lulu. Jackets Free People. And shirts Walmart.
Rose. Hi. You're so cute. Did you know that?
You can really see every imperfection on this camera. Okay, story time on what even am I doing. This is a camcorder that I had when I was 8-ish in 2014, and I would film all my American Girl dolls on it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some life through this lens in the next few days. It is Wednesday and I had school today. It was a long day. I had a client this morning who wanted an olive color. She was such a sweet lady. We did her hair. It was about a shade darker than mine is right now, and did some like long layers, but she wanted a lob. And all day we did nothing the rest of the day, because what do we do in school? Nothing. $20,000 to sit there and do. Oh my god. Flashback Mary. Hi sisters. Hey sisters. So it is Friday now, and I don't know, this is just so fun. I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get a Diet Coke, because that's what I do in them. And then I'm gonna go to Salon Centric because a girl needs to do her hair. We're gonna do it myself. I got my Diet Coke. Let's go. It's just a little haul. So we got the Shades EQ developer, and then we got Shades EQ 4N and 5G. This looked most similar to what my hair originally was. So I used the gloss on my hair. I think it looks pretty good. It's not that different. It's just like a little subtle change. I didn't want it that different. I just wanted like a little bit of the red covered. Anyways, I'm on the way to my man's house. Ugh, let's just hope that all my stuff is gonna fall out.
Can you stop?
He went to go take his cousin to work, so I'm left here. But yeah, basically what I know is Basically what I know is going on is that we're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse. But other than that, I have no idea. So he says the camcorder is stupid, so that's kind of depressing. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.